In the heart of fertile land, rows of pineapple fruit plants stretch endlessly, their golden harvest glistening under the morning sun.
Careful hands examine every pineapple fruit, ensuring only the finest are chosen for the journey ahead.
The pineapple fruit, with its vibrant golden skin and intricate texture, stands as nature's masterpiece.
Inside, the pineapple fruit reveals its sweet, refreshing core, the essence of tropical flavor.
Each pineapple fruit ripens in harmony with nature, nurtured by sunlight and gentle breezes, forming a living tunnel of abundance.
Hands of dedication carry baskets of pineapple fruits, each destined for juice creation.
Modern technology joins tradition, harvesting pineapple fruits with precision, speed, and care.
Gathered in abundance, baskets overflow with pineapple fruits, ready for transport.
From farm to factory, pineapple fruits begin their journey toward transformation.
At the Pineapple Juice Factory, tradition meets innovation, where fruit becomes flavor.
Here begins the journey of pineapple fruits, as they arrive at the Pineapple Juice Factory, where nature meets innovation.
Warehouse doors open to reveal mountains of pineapple fruits, awaiting their transformation.
Step by step, pineapple fruits move closer to becoming the refreshing pineapple juice enjoyed worldwide.
Freshly harvested pineapple fruits move forward, ready to be washed and prepared.
Every pineapple fruit enters a meticulous cleaning process, ensuring purity from the very start.
Air blowers sweep away dust, leaving each pineapple fruit spotless.
High-pressure sprays cascade over pineapple fruits, rinsing away impurities.
The tough skin of each pineapple fruit is thoroughly cleansed.
Gentle brushes polish the pineapple fruit, revealing its natural shine. Inside the sorting hall, every pineapple fruit is carefully examined. Inside the sorting hall, every pineapple fruit is carefully examined. Human expertise adds a final layer of assurance to the pineapple fruit selection.
The journey continues as pineapple fruits enter the cutting and preparation line. Advanced systems analyze each pineapple fruit's color, size, and perfection. Advanced systems analyze each pineapple fruit's color, size, and perfection.
Sensors identify imperfections, ensuring only the finest pineapple fruits continue. Sensors identify imperfections, ensuring only the finest pineapple fruits continue.
Only premium pineapple fruits advance, destined to become refreshing pineapple juice.
Precision blades slice through pineapple fruits, revealing their golden flesh. Each pineapple fruit is guided into automated cutting systems.
Outer peels are separated, ensuring only pure pineapple fruit remains.
The pineapple fruit opens to reveal its sweet, tropical core.
Coring machines extract the hard center, leaving only tender pineapple fruit flesh. Golden pineapple fruit flesh is collected, ready for juice extraction.
Here, pineapple fruits are transformed into refreshing pineapple juice, capturing the essence of the tropics. Within the heart of the Pineapple Juice Factory, the extraction process begins.
Crushed pineapple fruits are guided into powerful cold press machines. Gentle pressure squeezes the pineapple fruit flesh, unlocking its natural sweetness.
Golden pineapple juice flows freely, rich with tropical flavor.
The pineapple juice gathers in polished channels, ready for refinement. The extraction line runs seamlessly, transforming pineapple fruits into pure pineapple juice. Foam rises and separates, leaving the pineapple juice smooth and clean. Through stainless steel pipelines, pineapple juice travels with precision. Digital systems regulate the flow, ensuring balance in every drop of pineapple juice.
Color and clarity of pineapple juice are monitored for perfection. Color and clarity of pineapple juice are monitored for perfection.
The pineapple juice rests in holding tanks, awaiting the next stage. Extraction is complete. The pineapple fruits have become pure pineapple juice.
Now begins the vital process of filtration and pasteurization. Pineapple juice flows into filtration chambers, where purity is assured.
Unwanted particles are carefully removed from the pineapple juice. The pineapple juice enters pasteurization units for safe preservation. Heat rises steadily, preparing the pineapple juice for safe consumption.
Pasteurization eliminates harmful bacteria, protecting the integrity of pineapple juice.
Within these walls, pineapple fruits are transformed into pure pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice fills stainless steel tanks, ready for preservation. Once tested, pineapple juice flows into secure storage tanks. Inside the pineapple juice factory, every drop of pineapple juice undergoes rigorous testing. The pasteurization system ensures every drop of pineapple juice meets the highest standards. The final stage of refinement begins with fine filtration. Pineapple juice flows through fine mesh filters, removing the smallest impurities.
Every micro-impurity is eliminated, leaving pineapple juice pure and fresh. Every micro-impurity is eliminated, leaving pineapple juice pure and fresh.
The pineapple juice emerges crystal clear, a reflection of perfection. Pressure levels are monitored to maintain balance in the pineapple juice flow.
Through polished pipelines, the filtered pineapple juice moves forward, ready for bottling.
Inside the pineapple juice factory, every drop of pineapple juice undergoes rigorous testing.
Samples of pineapple juice are drawn from the pipeline for precise analysis.
Sugar levels in the pineapple juice are tested to ensure natural sweetness.
Acidity is carefully balanced, preserving the refreshing taste of pineapple juice.
Taste and color are verified, guaranteeing consistency in every batch of pineapple juice.
The testing area ensures that pineapple juice meets the highest standards of quality.
Gradually, the tanks fill with pineapple juice, storing nature's tropical essence.
Temperature is digitally controlled, keeping pineapple juice fresh and stable.
Sealed tanks protect pineapple juice from contamination, ensuring purity. The storage system safeguards pineapple juice until it is ready for bottling. In the laboratory, pineapple juice undergoes advanced scientific testing.
Lab technicians collect pineapple juice samples for microscopic and chemical analysis. Under the microscope, the purity of pineapple juice is revealed.
Advanced machines test pineapple juice for safety, nutrition, and consistency. Advanced machines test pineapple juice for safety, nutrition, and consistency.
The laboratory ensures that every batch of pineapple juice meets global standards of excellence. In the bottling hall, precision ensures every bottle of pineapple juice is prepared with care. Empty bottles move steadily along the conveyor, awaiting their fill of pineapple juice.
Sterile water rinses each bottle, ensuring purity before the pineapple juice is added.
Bottles align precisely beneath filling nozzles, prepared for the golden flow of pineapple juice.
Caps seal tightly, locking in the flavor and purity of pineapple juice. The bottling line runs seamlessly, preparing pineapple juice for the world beyond the factory. In the packaging hall, identity and assurance are added to every bottle of pineapple juice.
Labels are applied with precision, carrying the promise of authentic pineapple juice.
Dates are printed clearly, marking the journey of pineapple juice from factory to consumer. Grouped together, bottles of pineapple juice stand ready for packing. Grouped together, bottles of pineapple juice advance in harmony along the conveyor line, each one a vessel.
A close look reveals the precision of sealing, protecting every drop of pineapple juice.
Cartons are filled with bottles of pineapple juice, prepared for safe transport.
Machines seal cartons securely, protecting pineapple juice during its journey.
The packaging area ensures every carton of pineapple juice is ready for dispatch.
The final stage begins, dispatching pineapple juice to the world. Cartons of pineapple juice are stacked neatly on pallets.
Forklifts carry pallets of pineapple juice toward the dispatch zone.
Pallets advance to the dispatch zone, ready for shipment.
Trucks arrive, positioned to carry pineapple juice across distances. Pallets of pineapple juice are loaded carefully into the truck.
The journey continues to Oregon. Pineapple juice departs the factory, destined for homes worldwide.